Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the series of learning programming in C, we are discussing pointers in C. From this video, we are going to discuss the new concept on pointers. That is their operations, various operations that can be performed on the pointers, various arithmetical operations that can be performed on the pointers. One by one, every arithmetical operation such as addition, subtraction, increment operator, decrement operator will be discussed. So in today's video, we will discuss their addition, how to perform their addition on pointers, how to perform the addition of pointers. That will be discussed in today's video. In the previous video, we have discussed double pointers. Everything about the double pointers have been thoroughly discussed in previous video. There I have discussed the clan of pointers, how we can access the value of the variable through the pointer, through one level pointer, through two level pointer, through three level pointer. That we have discussed in the previous video. So from today we are going to start the pointer arithmetic. That means in this video, pointers part 4, we are going to start the pointer arithmetic. In today's video, we will discuss how to perform the addition on pointers. How to perform the addition on pointers. That means how we can add the pointers. That will be discussed in today's video. So let us start. So this video is a concept of pointers. That is the arithmetic. That is the pointer arithmetic. That is various arithmetical operations. Addition, subtraction, decrement, increment. ये सॉरी करो स्टार्ट इंशाल्लाह इसकी पसंद करो इसकी वीडियो स्टार्ट तो इसकी वीडियो से मुझे इसके उस कितके हको पॉइंटर एडिशन ऑफ पॉइंटर्स के कितके एडिशन ऑफ पॉइंटर्स गछन तो लेट अस स्टार्ट फॉर एग्जांपल अगर अस चुक वेरिएबल int a the equals assign of value 10. Here I have initialized the variable a which is of type integer and I have stored the value 10. I have assigned 10 value to a. So the curve pointer active declare initialize. For example, this is a pointer p. So after the initialize address of a. In the memory means क्या गया इसका इसके नेक्स्ट memory अगर ऐसी a छु तो value and छु 10 तो after पन address suppose address of 100. Suppose the address of a is 100. Address of a is 100 and then pointer को make ना जॉब variable को ना pointer variable को मैं declare yet now to p तो चूंकि आज को मैं initialize that means p holds the address of the a ps means address of a that means 100 चुका means ps means that means in this way p points to a. We have already discussed in previous videos this everything of how to declare, how to initialize and how to what are pointers that we have discussed in the previous videos. So pointer p assigned for a value of address of a is going to be stored in p. So yes, for example, yes one of address that is 2000. Yes 200. So don't confuse. I have already told you in previous video that these address are always in the hexadecimal format. In hexadecimal format. So for simplicity, I have taken here them as integers. So this can change pointer. You should pointer, for example, but a pointer int q. The asmit address of a. That means a pointer after making it declare. Yet now it's q. So asmit correct. You should hold the address of a. That means 100. That means both p and q, both p and q points to a. Thus p should hold the address of a. The q should hold the address of a. So for example, you have to find address 300. तो ये ना अगर मैं arithmetic है, for example, बदल जैसा add करें, आमतौर अगर हम करें तो p plus q, that is illegal. This is illegal. We cannot add the pointers like this. We cannot add pointers. Pointers है करने से add करें. क्या? First of all, उससे पढ़ना addition of pointers. But अगर आप pointers में p, आपसे में q, मैं कोई p plus q पर में add. But it is illegal in C. ये चुन legal चुन CS में क्या? It is wrong in C. CS में है किस के pointers का है करने. Then how we can perform the addition of pointers? तेरे किस किन कारण एडिशन ऑफ पॉइंटर्स कित हेकान कर अगर ये हेकान ऐड कर आम तौर अगर वेरिएबल ए तो बी फॉर एग्जांपल अगर वेरिएबल सी तथ मज 10 अगर बढ़ c equal to c plus a that means c as mज 10 plus 10 ये असल पे एडिशन गि but so far as pointers are concerned we cannot add pointers like this it can हेको pointer add कर this is illegal in c as mज correct then how we can add the pointers in c तेल कित हेको pointer add कर take किया for example अब कोई pointer था भाई इस करो इसी pointers काट लो p has pointer here we can add integers to a pointer we have an integer to add pointers for example 0 for example this is p plus 0 p plus 1 p plus 2 etc it can have a addition we cannot add directly the pointers have directly add but we can add the integers to the pointer have integer add for example ठीक है मतलब go p what is p is the pointer that holds the address of the a memory must be in the memory for example p what is a well it shows a actually what is a is the variable you can type it integer type that means a hold how many bytes of memory is allocated 4 bytes we are using the 30-bit machine अगर 30-bit to 32 द्वैत-bit machine इस्तेमाल करान that means द्वैत-bit machine ये आसे सु compiler छु द्वैत-bit compiler छु करान allocate 4 bytes of memory to a integer ये छु आक integer a that means यहाँ गसन 4 bytes of memory 1 2 3 and 4 तो base address क्या है यहाँ छु 100 यहाँ कैसे 101 यहाँ कैसे 102 यहाँ कैसे 103 this is a base address. Actually, what pointers stores? Pointers store the base address of the variable. Pointers actually base address. Base address क्या है 100. Base address 100. That means the address of the first byte. क्या अगर 4 bytes, 8 bytes, 2 bytes, 3 bytes, 4. Search में क्या है value है 10. क्या actually show है जो आपको for simplicity ये तो होने कुछ slot 10. मगर अगर मेमोरी में पूछो इसे 8 bytes 2 bytes 3 bytes 4 bytes क्योंकि ये तो मैं देखा टाइप integer that means the memory manager will allocate how many bytes of memory to integer 4 bytes वो 8 2 3 4 and there I am going to store the value 10 that is what store करा value that 10 but we are here the a has been assigned the value 10 a has been assigned value 10 that means 10 should number so byte obviously this 10 will be in the binary format यासमें तक 10 क्या you guys convert into binary format पात अगर 30 या से 32 bits machine से इस्तेमाल करन तेल गया सिंगल 8 बिट गया so the secondary question मगर actually this whole slot this whole memory is for this time okay तो मैं को देखा p0 actually what p stores the address of the base address you should have base address go ps में क्या actually 100 ps में ऐसे 100 that means अगर I मतलब बोलूँ कुछ p plus 0 कि यहाँ बकर सुन तो बोला मैंने wait just a moment बकर इतना for example मैं बोल p plus 1 and मतलब बोलूँ ps मुझे 100 value address 100 plus 1 even 101 no it is wrong ये चुका then क्या है how the addition we can perform which actually क्या है सांग दो ये चुका सही है p 100 p value is 100 plus 100 plus 1 into size of data type क्या ऐसा तनुक size that means 100 plus 1 into size of data type size क्या है type data type क्या है int को certain memory current in the cell of 4 bytes that means 4 so go 4 1s are 4 104 that means now p you go 104 अगर पकड़ के p equal to अगर मैं लिखते हैं p equal to p plus 1 p equal to p plus 1 that means p क्या है 100 क्या value at p is 100 that means value at p is 100 that means it contains the address of the a because it's a pointer plus 1. When 1 for a time integer plus head, that means 100 plus 1 into size of date. This is the formula. Formula is actually 100 plus Kuta Pakos Bruno Kuta Carlos add it integer 1 karva 2 bytes 3 karva kya karva into size of data type. 100 plus 1 size of data type to 4. 4 into 1 go 4. 100 plus 1 4. That means 4 104 you are going अगर 103 you should 104 for example yeah sure 105 that means this p1 actually that means यतन गया है तो और जो सहियतनस अगर मेरे ps में 104 that means new value अगर वही correctness for example but correctness print है लेट्स see है percentage pointer p मैं को इसके percentage star p अगर मैं ये कर दिया इंस्ट्रक्शन कर एग्जीक्यूट दैट ये तो इसमें लिखा p इक्वल टू p प्लस 1 p प्लस 1 क्या शेल बनाने में 104 दैट मींस न्यू वैल्यू इसका हम कैसे सो कैसे 104 ये साथ में ये प्रिंट करना हो इन साथ में ये डिस्प्ले करना कि यस लोकेशन का क्या छु 4 पॉइंट दैट दिस मींस इनडायरेक्शन ऑपरेटर दिस वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड इट इनडायरेक्शन ऑपरेटर मत क्या करा कर इट रिटर्न इज दैट value at that pointer that pointer पर क्या छु value ये pointer क्या छु p ps में क्या छु 104 की इतना for example ये को बोल दिया address 104 आप में क्या छु value for example आप मुझको garbage value आप मुझको चलने पाई आप मुझका value गो ये जो मकसद का it is illogical क्या अगर वह वेरिएबल में ये कर अरिथमेटिक का 1 + 2 कर या 1 + 3 कर 1 + 4 कर it is for no use क्या है actually सी वेरिएबल रखना ऐसे अगर एक निमो इसे 4 बाइट्स ऑफ मेमोरी रखना कि एक निमो 1 बाइट ऑफ मेमोरी या अगर एक निमो ऐसे 4 बाइट्स ऑफ मेमोरी आप मुझे 10 तो ये शस आप मुझ ऑलरेडी 10 शस सी मुझ तो अच्छा कौन मतलब जरूरत की इस करो एवरीथिंग पकना वो सी पॉइंटर्स so actually you no use to perform that addition operator on variables in such pointers and that ऐसे in such block variable ऐसे ताकि जरूरी क्या तो तेरे कटन से एक्चुअली इसमें इस्तेमाल करान एक्चुअली कटन से एडिशन ऑफ पॉइंटर्स गसान कर सुच गसान एक्चुअली इन अरेज दे आर बेनिफिशियल इन द अरेज पॉइंटर एडिशन अरिथमेटिकल मतलब एडिशन ऑपरेशन ऑफ पॉइंटर्स इज यूजफुल या बेनिफिशियल इन केस ऑफ द अरेज कितकन ते करो सो इंशाल्लाह ये करो ब्याक अक एग्जांपल तम से पूछो उस कितकन चेक तक में मेरा बेनिफिशियल तो ये क्या एक्चुअली यूज जनरल सिंटैक्स छु वो क्या गस करूं मेरा क्या प्लस p plus 1 अगर बोले ये में p plus 1 go that means this pointer should switch करा point to the next location लोग ये टाइम फिर 10 पर क्वेश्चन दैट करूं 1 अगर इतन 104 इतन 105 फॉर एग्जांपल 105 पाछु 106 गा 107 108 109 फिर ना अगर मैं को लेता हूं p plus 1 करेंगे और मैं को p equal to p plus 2 p equal to p plus 2 that means ps means p क्या है actually p is the base address अगर बाइंग देखना समझ फॉर एग्जांपल इसे सिटॉटी का 100 is a base address क्या है 100 चकी प्लस क्या है 2 फार्मूला है आप इनटू करो साइज ऑफ डेटा टाइप साइज क्या डेटा टाइप इट इज 4 that means 4 to the 100 plus 8 क्या गड़ गए या छ प्रेसिडेंट इज ज्यादा एडिशन फॉर गड़ गए नमन 4 into 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर सिंपली मन 8 that means 108 then that means ps मुझ यूज ps मुझ वैल्यू छु सो 108 that means no value is left get so 108 so क्या मतलब वो उतना 104 5 you are goodness तो छु आक इतना सॉरी आक z त्रातो 4 बराबर 4 बाइट्स को की ब्रोट गो ये पक बराबर 4 बाइट ब्रोट गो आक लोकेशन इंटीजर में वैल्यू रूट और ये पक उस आक के तस्ता आक एट पर गो z ये त्रापा को ये पक 3 बाइट गो एक्चुअली ये सच इज इंटीजर सेट एड करा पॉइंटर्स इट moves the cursor it moves the pointer byte by byte 1 byte 2 byte अगर 1 करो पर 8 बाइट that means 4 मतलब अके लोकेशन पकलाई पत पकलाई नेक्स्ट लोकेशन पर बेस ओवर बाइट अगर ब्याक पकनाय बहन पे इधर के अगर कैरेक्टर चल पाना है अख बाइट उसके पकनावन छ 4 बाइट जनरल फार्मूला छ यानी 100 ये 100 एक्चुअली पॉइंट एड्रेस ऑफ पॉइंटर p P is a pointer plus n. P general formula plus n into size. P is the base address. So set 100 for example. And how many bytes you want to how you want to move that pointer. So guta chesan one add yes integer karun zaha treha into size kya ase. Tit ken hakan yaran ase hakan each apnawan is and the shit ken gasan go. So actually can you useful as yat mus kya at mus yet as variable asan. So use pointer arithmetic addition it is useful in the arrays. For example, let us now discuss that thing as well. Which you? For example, you can carve a one mark array after particular integer times int a of 4. So means asmi करने value 5 6 7 9. Initialize करने इतने तो declare करने इतने. So under किसके लिए memory में? It's already we have discussed in arrays. किसके लिए? ठीक है 5 so means का और 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is a of 0 0 1 2 3. The name of this array is A. Actually, we have already discussed the arrays. In arrays, the index starts from 0 to n minus 1. Because the size of this array is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. And these are the values. So, जितने करवा कौन देखा pointer आप करवा declare just means address of a of 0 chu. For example, address half chu. Yatas akan tu 4, yatas akan tu 8, half akan 4, yatas akan tu 4. तो क्या है as carry use memory allocate carry MC as 8 0 3 to 4 तो क्या दिया 4 data members are there each data member occupies how many bytes of memory 4 bytes 4 into 4 क्या भाई 16 total जैसे इतने memory allocate है सगळे 16 bytes ताऊ गई नम 4 गई 5 खतर नम 4 गई 6 खतर नम 4 गई 7 खतर नम 4 गई 8 खतर so वो हाथ आकर 4 आकर 8 आकर 2 these are the addresses जिम Chinese address तो actually इस pointer छु pointer क्या छु करना है pointer छु p इस करना hold base address that means 100 छु यस मुझ तो यस ना p तो for example अच्छु पान base address का 200 तो आते हैं कि उस मुझ में तो pointer हाउ तो इस a छु 80 छु करना as मुझ छु करना hold इतना इस a छु करना hold array मुझ base address के it is a is also internal pointer as मुझ आसान base address of an array that means 100 as मुझ 100 to ps मुझ 100 but याद रखो we cannot perform any operation on this a through a as पे कोई addition subtraction के address which is present in a that is the name of the array is a constant that address is constant we cannot change that इसे अपन change करें we can access a through indexes अगर इस्तेमाल करो अगर मैं फॉर एग्जांपल प्रिंट करना भी इसके ना प्रिंट है ब्लैक % a of 0 this correct you should correct मगर बाहर ना through ये address हम कहते हैं after हम arithmetic करें कि we cannot perform any addition or subtraction or anything on this through a but we can perform this addition on this arithmetic operation by using this pointer किसके थे तो नजर है point go first of all अगर मैं इतना कर pointer a of 0 that means p should store करना address of a of 0 so क्या शो 100 initialize कर मैं इतना ps में शो p शो pointer आ that means address of a of 0 क्या शो address 100 that means 100 करना यहाँ कोई point अगर मैं इतना करना print है for example % indirection operator of p the main direct kind of output that means the value ये मतलब वो indirect operation operator that means the value that is present at the address value present at address क्या चाहिए 100 ps क्या 100 that is तब क्या चाहिए value present 5 that means 5 will get printed 5 गैस में display अगर ये कोड for example 5 गैस में display अगर बका इतना Yes, P equal to P plus 1. P equal to P plus 1. So क्या gets from? So that's it. P, there is formula से पता. What is P? P is the 100. Okay, P contains the value 100 address plus 1 into data type. Data type क्या है? Integer. Integer size time क्या है? 4 bytes into 4. That means 100 plus 4, so 104. That means P should have by MC technique use P otherwise P equal to that means new values PS will that's it. That will be no values PS will probably value 104 104. अगर मैं one कर लो print for example print है percentage P तो no values में कर value and address PS में क्या चुप अब क्या चुप अगर तो चोर पर क्या चुप value 106. That means now the P will move to 106. या अगर मेरा कोई ब्लॉक इंस्ट्रक्शन है P equal to P plus 3. P equal to P plus 3. That means P equal to P plus 3 into size of data type. Formula से ये है. That equal to P equal to that implies P क्या है? For example, uncut कर बकरूँ start cut है 100 से value इसको press कर करेंगे 100 plus 3 into size क्या है 4 से 12. That means 112. That means P should करा point 112. That means no values यहाँ मुझे क्या है 1 1 2. अगर मैं print करना हो if I going to print the percentage and address this interaction operator of P, my output would be the value at 8. Then which you ask location book zikarba yatan trakarba yatan ask the location pakan. But that means by using this addition of pointers, by adding the integers to this P, we can move the pointer forward. That means first we can access the elements of an array through their indexes. उसको index से टिकट array. क्या अगर बताना ये तो सॉरी print है percentage a of 3. अगर मैं ये कोड I'm sitting as मैं print a of 3 8. क्या value at a of 3 that is 8. मगर alternate way is just ऐसे ब्याह तरीके से पर through addresses I can also access the elements of an array. बहकर address के हक में इस्तेमाल कर by performing this pointer arithmetic. क्या add कर देते हैं P of P plus 3 मैं पूर automatically को कर सकते वो attend हक बपाते and address या सही print and value print करने से. This is the alternate way of accessing the elements of an array, and we can perform this pointer arithmetic addition of pointers by this. I hope that you have now understood how to perform the addition of pointers. What the addition of the addition of the pointers results. That we can only by doing this addition of pointers we are going to move the pointer one location where we want to take it. तो तने को इसमें तो तने सियासान तो general formula क्या चाहिए इनको तो general formula चाहिए इनको तो general formula for moving these pointers are P equal to n P plus n. P plus n. P already pointer plus n equal to address of A of 0 plus address of A of 0 plus n. ठीक है आपको P is a pointer. For example, big versus focus. For example, start see P as much as address of A of 0 that is 100 plus n. N means what integer. तो कुता या सांचु गुण पाकुन 2, 3, 4. How many locations you want to? How many bytes you want to go move the pointer cursor? And for example, अगर बका n 1 equal to address of A. What is address of Address of A. Address of A is address of 0. Address of A. A of 0. 0. Address of A of 0 plus N. N is 1. That means address of 1. PS means guess point. Address of 1. Address of 1 means 104. I got 2 colors, that's address of 2. That means 6. I got 3 colors, that's address of 108. So this is the general formula. This is the general formula for moving the cursors, for addition of the pointers. Hope now you have fully understand how the addition of the pointers, how we can perform the addition of the pointers. We can change the addresses of P. We can change the addresses of P. They think what half part for me PS assign no well. But we cannot change the address of A. Address of A I cannot change it is a constant. This address is constant. It will remain constant. It's constant address. You can change this. That means that is not possible. That is illegal in C. So it's illegal. We can access the other locations of this array by using pointers, by performing the addition of pointers. Pointers by adding the integers to the pointers. अगर 5 address of 5. P equal to P plus 5. You could make it. P equal to P plus 5. Which means क्या फर्क है? P equal to P should 100 plus 5 into size of data type, which is 4. That is 100, 5 for 20. That means 120. Go PS which is new value 120. 120. Go ye P should bahas time. At patas swad मतलब location. That patas block location. That patas block क्या memory है कैसे कुंजाई है अगर 102 है कैसे कुंजाई 120 है कुंजाई address ऐसे अकद बा you go akat shura, you go akat wu. So you go P kind point akat wu. Yel then me data katan. Aag zut 3. Agar मैं कोई print करनो, if I am going to print a %d interaction operator of P, को value at P, value क्या चु? Value at address of P. PS क्या चु? Value. And value at address of P. Address of P akat wu चु. Value akat aspect क्या चु value? Value, but it contains some garbage value. After garbage value that will get displayed. So we can say that we can use the use of arithmetic addition of pointers. Addition of this operation of pointers is useful in arrays, not in the variables. Single variable that is necessary. We should use arrays. Hope now you have fully understood this concept of addition of pointers. And inshallah in the next video we will discuss one more operation on pointers, that is the subtraction of pointers. How we can perform the subtraction on pointers. That we will discuss in the next video. Till next video, take care. Bye bye.